All right, welcome everybody back. It is Wednesday already again, so we're back at it. We're finally doing the banana bread we had told you guys about. I've been making this for years, probably like 5 to 10 years. So the ingredients, we can give you them up front and then we'll start showing you the process.
Let's show it all. Everybody's dying to know.
Most important are the bananas. Now normally I would like the super duper ripe bananas, the ones that you would normally throw away.
Yeah.
But this is gonna have to do.
It's gonna have to.
It's gonna have to. Probably been another couple days till they're really dark. Brown sugar, regular sugar, salt, walnuts, baking soda, baking powder, butter, vanilla.
Oh yeah, I can't forget vanilla.
Eggs. Okay, so 1 and 3/4 cup flour.
There it goes.
And then 1 more. I mean, well, you can almost do it to the top. So almost 2 cups. Almost 2 cups flour. Teaspoon salt. Teaspoon baking soda.
Yeah.
And
And
a teaspoon baking powder.
yes, for the win.
So normally this would have a little thing where you
What's the thing?
scrape it off.
But
But I don't know what happened.
we'll figure it out. You're awfully cheery tonight, Megan.
Why is that?
You tell me.
Because I licked the bowl. Do you see?
Oh yeah. Life is short. Lick the bowl. Done plenty of that.
It's just a reminder to not to take life too seriously.
You're right.
Teaspoon vanilla.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon vanilla. This is almost gone. I need a new one. Vanilla's really good.
I bet.
So Trader Joe's, some parts of the year, they have a vanilla bean paste. And it's amazing. When you see it, grab 3 bottles.
I would.
I would too. Oh, I did, and it's gone.
All right, so after the vanilla, what goes in there?
The sugar.
The sugar after vanilla?
Yeah.
It's not too sweet?
Now the order doesn't matter too much, but you want to do the dry ingredients first. So the trick to the banana bread to make it extra moist, this is gonna be the best banana bread you ever had, is the sour cream.
The sour cream's what gets it?
Yeah.
Nice, I didn't know.
That's what
So
makes
that's the ticket, is the little sour cream
That's what
action.
makes it extra moist. And that's the only way to have banana bread. And 3/4 cup brown sugar. Okay, next up is 2 eggs. Should I try to juggle these?
No, please don't.
I kind of want to.
Let's see.
Oh!
God help me.
Maybe we won't do that.
All right, so next, cracking some eggs.
Some eggs. Uno, dos.
When did you first notice your S's were super sissy?
I didn't notice until I met him.
Yeah, right. Nobody's ever told you.
No one ever.
Watch this.
No.
Huh.
Not in these 27 years of living. All right, so
A little sour cream.
a little sour cream.
We're probably about 50% done with the recipe, aren't we?
Probably halfway.
No, not halfway. I think
Almost
there's more.
done.
There's more to it.
Okay, so that's just 3 tablespoons of sour cream. So normally we wouldn't do the last step. We're gonna add a crumbly topping, and I wanted to make that because it's different than everyone else's. So we're picking up with a stick of butter, and I like to melt that. And our microwave has been acting up. So
Why is that?
I don't know. Every time I try to heat butter, it does some kind of explosion in there.
Explosion. A microwave explosion, and you survived? How many explosions have you survived? Have you survived a lot of
It's happened
explosions?
5 times.
And you lived?
Yeah, and it's kind of scary.
We're going for number 6.
So I think what we're gonna do, I might just heat it in the pan.
You're gonna put a splash of milk in there?
Yeah, no, just 1 tablespoon. It's tiny.
Oh, the milk in the mix.
Yeah.
Since we've been together, how many times do you think I've seen you poop?
Never. Oops.
What happened there?
I got a little
You splashed?
butter on there. Okay, so back to the fun part.
Yeah, the bananas. Here we go.
I like to do 3 bananas. And you know, like I said, they would normally be extra ripe. And you can use a mixer, but I like to just do it by hand.
Please do.
And I like to, like, kind of just...
Yeah, there goes a banana.
You know, give it a head start.
All right, so we're about 70% done, maybe 65.
With the first part.
Yeah, first part, you're right. We're still mixing, right?
Still mixing, and it's so much work.
It is.
But I just don't want to do the hand.
Thank God you got these God-given biceps.
That's right.
Look at these things. Anyway, so this is where strength comes in.
Focus.
Yeah, mix, mix, mix.
And we have to throw in 1 more banana.
So this does have that creamy banana color, right?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, because it is banana bread.
But what's strange is sometimes when you cook the bananas, they start to look a little purple. Okay, 1 more.
All right, keep mixing because this is getting old now. I'm gonna have to fast forward through this.
We're good.
All right, what's next?
A splash of cinnamon.
A splash?
Like 1 teaspoon.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of cinnamon, but hey, it works.
I do measure.
With what?
Sometimes, with my mind.
All right, so where are we at now? We're buttering up the pan, right?
Yeah, give it a nice coat of butter so it doesn't stick.
So can
So
you?
I decided they should make disposable pans. Like disposable plates, you know?
Yes.
If anybody invents that, that was my idea.
Disposable sticky pans?
Disposable pans.
They don't have those yet?
No. How? What a good idea, right?
I'd say.
So I usually just grab a paper towel to rub the butter around in there. And then we're gonna use the rest of that stick of butter for the topping.
All right, let's do that.
Okay.
Whoa, look at that goodness.
You could probably split this into 2. If you really wanted. Yeah, you definitely could actually. Or sometimes I like to do like the mini loaves. So this one will take a little bit longer to cook. That's what it was.
You're right.
All right, and then we're gonna make the topping, and we're almost done.
Oh yeah. So this is it for this, huh?
And this is when you can lick the bowl.
Oh yeah, lick that bowl.
I mean, everybody should.
You should. Let's see you do it. Come on, lick it.
No.
Come on. You know you want to. Just lick it. Let's see it. Let's see.
You know I want to, or you
Do
I know
it.
you want me
Do
to.
it. Come on. Do it. Lick the goodness.
Okay, fine.
Do it again.
Well, it's so good.
I know it is.
So next step, we're gonna make the topping.
Cool.
Cool.
Easy peasy.
I like that response. And we're gonna do 1 1/4 cup flour.
Oh yeah. Why not?
What she said. And then
You heard?
1/2 cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Oh, you know what? No, take that back.
Take it back right
Take it
now.
back. We're gonna do this one.
What is that?
Turbinado.
What?
Have you guys ever had that?
No.
It's really good.
Turbinado. Sounds like a turban.
Sometimes you'll see it on like the dark chocolate almonds. They'll have that kind of sugar. And it's like extra golden. And I think it's like crystallized to change the color.
If you say so.
Whatever you say, right? See the color? And then a little bit of white sugar. Very little though.
White sugar.
White sugar.
White.
And then you give it a little mix.
Mixaroo.
And now here's some walnuts. This is about 3/4 cup.
Oh yeah, it's a good amount.
Okay, I don't like the nuts in the bread, but I like them on top.
Say that with a serious face.
I don't like the nuts. I don't like the. Okay. I don't like them in the bread. I like the bread to be very soft.
Megan, focus. You gotta chop something off.
There's no way I can say that.
Jesus, you guys think I'm bad. This chick right here. She can't say nuts without grinning ear to ear.
Only because you told me.
Yeah, so you do everything I tell you?
Because you told me not to.
Don't answer that.
No. I wouldn't jump off a bridge.
Right.
Okay, so those have a nice chop to them. And we're gonna scoop them in. Oh, there's another. So this is gonna go on the topping and not in the bread. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes perfect sense.
So you get the creamy and crunchy. I mean soft and crunchy.
Are you done scooping? Or you're throwing that in the mix right away? Okay.
Yeah. Right in the mix.
Let's chop up that butter, huh? So we're picking up with the butter, right?
Yeah.
Small little cubes.
Got them chopped up. They've been sitting out for a while, so they're a little soft, but that's fine.
Nothing like a soft.
Soft butter.
Piece
Then we
of
don't
butter.
have to melt it.
I think we need more small cubes, don't we?
We're gonna
Like
do
a
them
lot
all.
of, like chop them up nice and fine.
Oh, and this is enough for 2 batches, this topping.
You think so?
Yeah, so you guys can cut it in half if you don't plan on making 2 loaves. But if you're making 1, you might as well make 2.
You might as well.
And then you could just like freeze one.
I can see you trying to find the camera that's looking at you, but there's one right here. They're not looking at you.
They are looking at me.
No, they're looking at the food.
They're just not on.
They're on.
Oh, they're on the food. I like the cameras on me.
Now you do, huh? All right, what's next?
Okay, so we're gonna kind of form it into like clumps.
Clumps?
Clumps are good. So you just kind of have to
Oh,
get,
that's right. You got dirty last time you were doing that.
yeah, you just gotta get in there.
Just get in there.
Like Play-Doh.
Yeah. Be the dirty Play-Doh girl.
Taking me back to my childhood.
You never played with Play-Doh.
Probably my mom didn't let me.
Why would Jackie not let you play with Play-Doh?
I'm just kidding, Mom.
But are you gonna go big clumps or little clumps here?
We're gonna go big. And then I'll show you the trick. So see, we have like these big clumps.
Oh yeah, do you want those or no?
I do, I love those. And then we're gonna crumble those on top. So you just kind of break it up in little pieces.
Super little pieces, so it rises, right?
Like, well, big, but not too big. And it'll rise. We just have to make sure you have to put it in like 350, 325 for like an hour and 10 minutes because it is a thicker one. If it was thinner, if you do 2 small ones, you can get away with like probably 50 minutes each. And another thing, which I like to do only because it makes it like cute, is just lay some of these on top and just place the bananas. And I don't know if anybody else does this, but I've always done it. I feel like I want to eat it already. Okay.
Now what?
Now it's gonna go in the oven for an hour and 10 minutes at 350.
Put it in.
And no opening the oven.
All right.
All right, see you guys soon.
Oh, hey, now the
bread is done.
the banana bread's done, right? So
It is.
Yeah, it's been quite a roller coaster with this one, right?
We've learned a few things.
Yeah, so let's give it a taste and see what you think of it.
See. So I like that it's extra moist,
Yes.
like we had talked about.
Yeah.
Let's give that a try.
Give it a try.
Am I supposed to taste it right now?
Yeah, taste it. Let's see it, like you usually do.
Maybe I already did.
How is it? Good.
What I've learned is when you're putting the topping on it,
Yeah.
just put very little. In the recipe, we'll give it to you. You can half that or just put like light crumbles on top. You don't want to overdo it because it will kind of sink in the middle.
Yeah.
Which is actually common for banana bread, I was reading. So you also want to check the temperature of your oven and make sure it's actually 350. And then another thing that I actually forgot, because it had been a while, you want to mix the bananas and eggs and sugar first, and then you're gonna add in the dry ingredients.
Yeah.
And slowly add them in. And you don't want to overmix, so we've learned all this. Okay, thank you guys.
See you next episode. Bye.